Manipuri yauna awang nongpoki state loinana tongan bamafamda India Meteorological Department na red alert amadi yellow alert na chingba lauthokre. IMD na Manipur, Nagaland, Mizoram, Meghalaya, Tripura, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Chhattisgarh, Eastern Rajasthan, Uttarakhand, Coastal Karnataka, Sub-Himalayan, West Bengal amadi Bihar da lakadoriba pung kunmari asida akhak araw yauna akanba maongda nong churagani haina yellow alert lauthokre. Madhya Pradesh, Madhya Maharashtra, Gujarat, Konkan amadi Goa hayeng akan mamaongda nong churagani haina red alert lauthokre. India Meteorological Department na makhatana pressure nemba mafam sing oriba Gangetic, West Bengal amadi Jharkhand ga samnariba mafam sing da cyclone gi safu lakpa yai hairi. JNIMS Department of Community Medicine da Professor Oina Lairibi Professor Longjam Usarani Devi bu JNIMS Director in charge oina appoint taukre. Regular Director ama hapti fauba Professor Longjam Usarani Devi na Director in charge oina thau puragani haina Health and Family Welfare gi Joint Secretary Dr. Yumnam Suras na khutyek piduna thadorakpa cherol amana khangalakli. Mayai lambi sembi tabaga mari lainana ngasi ahing nongyai dagi kaugani haina tauramba ban adu Chief Minister na semba hauragani haibagi thajaba pirakpadagi ban hantokle hairi. Mongsangai to sekmaijingi apunba maira paibina hairiba lambi asibu semchin biu haina lenga ki pukning chingsinkibaga loinana kaukhiba ban adu Chief Minister ga Mongsangai to sekmaijingi apunba maira paibi singa laikai gi club ki member singa unaduna hairiba lambi asi ngasi dagi semba hauragani haina thajaba pirakpadagi ban asi handokpani haina Mongsangai to sekmaijingi apunba maira paibigi member amana fongdorakli.
Ngasi August ki tang ani gi ahing nongyai pung baro dagi aikoi mayai lambi Mongsangai to sekmaijingi apunba maira paibina kaujagi ba lambi sembi o haina sarkar gi mayota tawjagi ba bal ase aikoi Chief Minister ga masaga aikoi apunba maira paibi amasung club singa punna phaminna duna wari sanarapa matung ina Chief Minister na aikoi maira paibi amasung club singa hajaba bibi duna hayeng haiba numisidagi lambi semba hauragani haina thajaba thamakpadagi maramna aikoi gi bangi khongjang ase hantoksari haibase miyamda thamjari.
Parliament की budget session da MP Angomcha Bimol Akoizamna Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS Imphal bu All India Medical Institute oina onthokpina ba demand taukre. Wafam asi mahakna demand for grant da Health Ministry ki mafam da pukhatkibani. Chahi yankhai go humdoi shuraba RIMS bu AIMS ki thak da onthokpana yumlo naba state amadi yumlo naba laibak singdagi ana layeng ki damak miyam na leptana lakpa maramna AIMS ki thakta ongkhatpa matamda Manipur gi senmitlon da hena chawkhatpa purakpada mateng oigani maram aduna Health Ministry na RIMS pu sakhang biduna AIMS ki thakta pukhatpiyo haiba wafam thamki masida natana Manipur da drug mafia masang thingamdana leiba maramna lamdam asigi mayai ka bachinjak na lahatlaba naha singi damakta layeng chathabada mateng oinanaba state asida mental hospital gisu mathau tari maram aduna RIMS amadi mental hospital gi mathau taba sing asi yengsinbinaba demand tauki.
There has been talk about converting this institute into an All India Institute of Medical Sciences, I think which is needed, and I would request the Health Minister to either declare and recognize this institute as an institute of national importance and preferably convert it into an AIMS. I would like to remind the Minister that this institute has produced health professionals who have been serving in hospitals and medical colleges across the country as well as abroad, and it caters to patients in the neighboring states. Not only that, even foreign countries like Myanmar, we have patients from there. So as we know that the economic development of the region and the state in particular, we need to revamp the education and health sector. So it will go a long way in the economic development planning of the state to revamp this medical institute as an All India Institute of Medical Sciences. And secondly, Mr. Chairman, as we know that northeastern region is afflicted by conflict for decades and has produced post-traumatic diseases, and because of the rapid urbanizations, it has impacted the family relationship. Besides the drug mafias, we all know the current crisis in Manipur is also related to these drug mafias. We have numbers of youths have fallen victims to this drug-related issues. And therefore, to cater to these needs, we also need to establish a centrally run mental hospital and institute in the state of Manipur. I would like our health minister to look into this too. I would be very grateful if the minister can take up as urgently as possible.
Matam kuina mahairoi singna Dhanamanjuri University ki hangduna lairiba registrar ki post mention biu haiduna lengakta taksinduna lakhibadu mahairoi singgi awaba kokhantre. August ki tang amada University asina thokiba order amada Dr. R.K. Jotin Singhbu University asigi chehi ohum oina registrar oina appoint tawre hairi. Dr. R.K. Jotin Singhna chehi ohum gi oina University asigi registrar gi thawasi pugadawribani. Haukiba tha July 19 da pangthokiba syndicate mifamna registrar appoint tawbagi warip asi laukhibani.
Dengue haibasi ayuk nungthila yamna chikanba Aedes kauba kang makhalamana chikpadagi kang da yorakpa mahikna sandokpa laina makhalamani. Dengue gi layong singdi arum kan hoba kok yamna kanna chikpa saru sayang chikpa mit ki manung thangba sarukta chikpa naba fauba kok ngauba oningba chaning thakingba faudaba puk lengkhatpa marak marakta khong hamba mai ngak thabak na chingba saruk singda lai thokpagum mapak tholakpa gyan mangba amasung wanthaba asina chingbani khare hena lusinba layong singdadi naton chin amasung yarida I thokpa yawi hairiba symptoms sing asi thengna birabadi khudakta rims na traga jenims ki microbiology department da chatpiduna blood test thokpiyu dengue dage khoina ngakthok chanana bagi damak ayuk nungthil gi matam da su mosquito repellent coil amadi vaporizer sijanabiyu ayuk nungthil tumbada kangkhal khanbiyu ayuk nungthil gi matamda kangna chikpa ngamdanaba achonba firol setpiyu yumgi akoiba luna nana thamba iram nala sengdoktuna ichel lehengadabani ising yokpa patra makhum chena khumduna thamsi chayol khodingi ising haidoktuna anoba sindoksi sizinnadraba hundoktuna thamba patra sing chapu akaiba plastic cup kauta asina chingba sing leitanaba phumjinbiyu natraga mai thadokpiyu sizinnadraba tire sing thamba tarabasu ising tungdanabagi damak hutok piraga thambiyu leigi gamla da yawba ising chayol khudingi haidoktuna anoba sindokpiyu yumgi manung amasung akoibada leiba ising thamba ising tungba yaba kollik drum reservoir na chingba sizinnadrabadi mathak makha onthoktuna thambiyu Karigumba dengue na naba thoklabadi ningthina pothabiyu ising amadi mahi marang kaina thakpiyu ka henjilakpagi khudam urabadi khudakta doctor tanabiyu aikhoi punna dengue dagi ngakthok minarasi paujenjariba Directorate of Health Services amadi National Health Mission Manipur